Hello everybody, I'm Doug from Watching Gadget here with another quick review. Okay, let's get started. Alright, this review is going to be about the i9s, and they're essentially knockoffs of the AirPods. They're the exact same size as the AirPods, believe it or not. Okay, open it up. They look just like the AirPods, almost identical in every fashion. They got the magnetic lid, the magnetic case. Okay, opening up the box. Oh wow, they actually got a case for them. See how this works. Isn't that neat? What else do we got? Oh, we got a D-ring. Okay, I get it. So this goes on the case, and this will be good for hikers, backpackers. So unlike the i7s, the i7-8s, and the i7s minis, instead of having an Android charger, they have an Apple Thunderbolt charger. They come with Bluetooth version 5.0. The battery capacity is 3.7 volts at 50 milliamps. The talk time is 1.5 hours. Charging time is about 40 and 50 minutes for the case and about 10 minutes for the AirPods. Okay, one more thing to add about the i9s, and I know I've said this, but the Bluetooth version 5.0 is not available on most of these i9s. I do know that it's available through Watching Gadget, and I can see the link down below. But where you'll notice the difference is when somebody calls you or you make a phone call, both of your earpods are going to work for the phone call, both microphones, and you're going to have audio in both of your both earbuds at the same time. Unlike the later versions or the older versions, like the i7s minis and the i7s, the i8s, all of them that doesn't have Bluetooth version 5.0, that option is not available. If somebody calls you, only one's going to work and only one microphone is going to work. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you got any comments, leave them down below. And I'll leave all applicable links down below. And thank you guys for watching.